Welcome to our guide on transforming your living room with budget-friendly renovation ideas. Today, we'll show you how to breathe new life into your space without breaking the bank, with inspiring before and after transformations that will leave you amazed. Let's start with decluttering and reorganizing. Before diving into any renovation project, it is essential to clear out the clutter and create a blank canvas. Remove unnecessary items, rearrange furniture for better flow, and consider multipurpose storage solutions to maximize space. Now that we have laid the foundation, let's talk about inexpensive ways to update the look and feel of your living room. One of the most simplest and most effective strategies is to repaint the walls. A fresh coat of paint can instantly brighten up a space and set the tone for the rest of your decor. Next, consider updating your furniture. You don't have to splurge on brand new pieces. Sometimes it takes a little creativity and DIY spirit. Try reupholstering old sofas and chairs with affordable fabric, or give outdated furniture a fresh coat of paint for a modern twist. Another budget-friendly way to revamp your living room is to focus on accessories and accents. Swap out old throw pillows for new ones in vibrant colors or bold patterns. Invest in a statement rug to anchor the space and add visual interest. And don't forget the power of lighting. Strategically placed lamps and fixtures can instantly elevate the ambience of your living room. Now, let's talk about maximizing natural light. If your living room feels dark and dreary, consider updating your window treatments. Opt for sheer curtains or blinds that allow sunlight to filter through while maintaining privacy. You'll be amazed at how much brighter and more inviting your space will feel with this simple change. Finally, don't underestimate the impact of thoughtful styling and decor. Incorporate personal touches like family photos, artwork, and decorative objects to infuse your living room with personality and charm. Mix and match different textures and materials for added visual interest. And don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts until you find what works best for your space. Transforming your living room on a budget is entirely achievable with a little creativity and resourcefulness. By focusing on decluttering, updating key elements like furniture and accessories, and maximizing natural light, you can create a space that feels fresh, inviting, and uniquely yours. Thank you for watching our guide on budget-friendly living room renovation ideas. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration on your home improvement. Until next time, happy renovating!